Time once again for the Law and You. Standing by, waiting for your legal question. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, how are you today?
I got to get out of here because my kid's having a graduation party.
All right, we don't want to waste any time, though. Let's get to the question of the day. The weekend's here. Greg and Ed have stuff to do, but we got to answer the question first, and this one is from Neil in Trucksville. He says, the other day I was walking in my sister's neighborhood. I was talking to her when my foot got caught on a water mail, and I fell forward, breaking my wrist and nose. I have to have surgery. Can I sue the water company? So it sounds like the water company maybe was negligent here. Is it possible?
Neil, if you're talking about the water mains that are kind of in the tree lines and it was sticking up, then yes, you potentially could have a case, against the water company for that, because though they can't be an obstruction. You should be able to walk and not get your foot caught. We've handled, oh God, I don't even know. I mean, we've probably handled 24 of these cases in the last 15 years. So you can sue the water company for this, especially considering you have some very significant injuries.
Well, and if you look around, people, especially in the Wyoming Valley, you'll see these water mains that stick up, and they're blue, and they have blue in color. And what we see, people just end up inadvertently tripping over them because they're not expecting to see them in a tree lawn. And in our experience, we've seen that the company knows that they're there, and they just don't want to lower them. So if if that happens to you and you're unfortunately injured, pick up the phone and call some lawyers who know what they're doing with it. And if you're hurt, they can probably help you.
All right, for our viewers that need your legal advice, what's the best way to get a hold of you?
They could call us at 570-714-HURT. They could see us on the web at 714hurt.com. And it's the weekend. Eddie will be on the hotline.
I will be on the hotline all weekend in between, working the barbecue for my son's graduation party.
All right, Ed's having his hotline happy hour as well, so hope you
know
invite
it.
us
You
all.
know it.
All right, results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Gentlemen, have a nice weekend.
You too.
All right, if you want your question featured right here on the Law and You, it's PAHomepage.com or that ever popular hotline.